Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to close Kia Sportage sunroof. Start by turning the ignition to ACC or on so the sunroof has power, then locate the slide tilt switch on the overhead console. Push or press the switch backward to close the sunroof. Hold until the glass fully seals. If it resists, release and retry, or try the auto close by holding the rear of the switch for 2 seconds. To reset the sunroof, start with the ignition in on or ACC and the sunroof closed or partially closed. Press and hold the tilt button until the sunroof moves, then release. Next, press and hold the close position for 10 seconds to complete calibration. Listen for a click and test the auto open and auto close functions to confirm the calibration worked properly. If it still fails, consult the owner manual or contact a technician for safety. Common sunroof problems include obstructions, blown fuses, or a weak motor, and you can often diagnose them with simple checks. Inspect the tracks for debris and clean with a soft brush, then test the switch and fuses in the fuse box. If the motor hums but the glass does not move, the mechanism may need lubrication or professional repair to avoid further damage. Also check weather seals for warping or gaps that can jam the glass and cause leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.